Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save time by automating the process of getting your Dashpivot data into Excel using Flowsite. Many users manually export CSV data from Dashpivot every week, every month to meet their reporting needs. This process is not only time consuming, but also tedious, requiring you to select all of these forms, filtering the required data, wait for the CSV to generate, and then download it. And if you want to analyze workspace actions, whether it's tracking the number of actions or completion rate, you need to transfer this data manually. This means that there is room for human error. Any important information might be missed during this manual process, so to ensure that everything is correctly synced, you often have to come back here, cross-check that everything has been included, adding even more time and effort. With Flowsite, you can automate the entire process by integrating Dashpivot with Excel. You can set up a hosted source that updates periodically on a schedule that you define. Here's how it works. First, we set up the integration in Flowsite. You define how often the hosted source updates, whether that's every 24 hours, 12 hours, 4 hours, or even every hour. Select the trigger time and then select your data source. For template, you just need to link which template you want to transfer data across. Here, I've linked the lot management template that we saw just earlier during the export. Once everything is set, your Excel file will always have the latest data without you having to leave the software. In Excel, all you need to do is get your data from web. I've already connected the source data, so what you see here are all of the lot management forms completed in Dashpivot. This works the same way for actions, except all you need to do is to make sure that you're connected to the correct Dashpivot workspace. And once connected, all of your actions, whether it's assigned to you or assigned by you, will automatically go across to Excel just like this. So what happens if you have new data or new action items that you want to pull across immediately without waiting for the trigger time? This is where the Trigger Flow Manually button comes into play. For example, let's create another action for myself. I will just call this Excel report and I will just assign it to me. So here you'll see that we have 5 actions in total. Let's go back into Flowsite and trigger flow manually. And all you need to do is click refresh the database. Give it a few seconds and there you go. Now we have that new action item that I just put in to do the Excel reports and it's been assigned to me. And this is how you import the latest data from the hosted source. So whether you're tracking timesheets, safety or quality reports, cost and quantity matrix, or even actions in your Dashpivot workspace, your data is up to date and ready for analysis whenever you need. Automating your Dashpivot data via Flowsite transforms how you handle reporting. It's efficient, accurate, and saves you a ton of time. If you're ready to simplify your reporting workflow or have any questions, feel free to reach out using our live chat on the website. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you connect your Dashpivot account with Excel.